Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm showing you my new cordless electric scissor. And this electric scissor is powered by a lithium battery, 4 volts. Cutting capacity is 1/4 maximum thick, lightweight, 0.82 pounds. I open the box and I show you guys. So once you open the box, there's a instruction manual written in English. It's to understand. It comes with the pouch and it comes with the accessory as well. So it has a USB, a C-type cable, and an additional blade and the pin. So it has 2 blades, and this is the actual cordless electric scissors. Why I decided to buy this, the reason why I got this, I decided to get this because I need the car that I'm going to use to cut all the boxes, the empty boxes that I got from Amazon, and I need to shred it into pieces so that it will fit to my garbage bin. So this is the best cutter that you guys can use. Not only you can use this to cutting your paper, envelope, or whatever cardboard that you guys would like to cut, and you can cut also as well a jeans, but not thicker than the a 1/4 of an inch, and you can cut also a carpet. So it's a very good product as long as you guys will fully charge and you don't have any problem with this. So using this, all you need to do is to charge it at the back. There's a C-type, and you need to use the AC adapter for your cell phone, for your iPhone or either Android phone. And you need to plug it in at the back and wait until it fully charges. Once it fully charges, you are able to use this. Using this, you need to press this and then press this. That's a safety feature. It's not gonna work even though you guys press the lever. You need to press this, the top button, and it will automatically cut, and it rotates the wheel counterclockwise. And I'm showing you guys how this thing will work. Now I have my pans. I'm going to cut this using this without using my scissor. Let's see if this pans will able to cut by this type of car. You see there's a light, a guide light. Once you press it, it will cut easily. You see it's already been cut. Now I will continue cutting it. I don't have a tripod that I'm able to use it, but I can still cut this without using the tripod. I'm just following the guide or so, using my left hand. This one's a little bit thicker. I don't know if this one able to cut it, but let's see. Cutting the pants is easier, like a bar. You see, I'm able to cut it. Slide it through. Cutting this is a breeze. No hiccup. See, I'm able to cut it all the way through. Perfectly cut. So as you see, I'm able to cut this. This is a thicker cotton jeans pants. If you guys will use this kind of a scissor, it's not gonna work for you to cut it. So I'm not gonna use this one. So I'm gonna use this. to cut my the bottom. This is the bottom jeans that I need to cut. Slide a little bit. Slide. This one's easily to cut as long as somebody hold the other side of the jeans or pants. You see, it cut like a bar. It cut straight. Now I don't have any problem cutting my jeans or my pants that I need to trim. There you go. So again, this one is an electric scissor. That's the specifications of the electric lithium ion cordless cutter, rather, not a scissor. Loading speed is 320 RPM. Diameter is 1.5 ampere, 6 watts. And this cutter able to cut the carton, cardboard, plastic, fabric, leather, carpet. So as long it's a 1/4 inch, that able to go, not thicker than a 1/4 inch, it will able to cut this. They can guarantee that you are able to use for fabric, leather, carpet, carton, cardboard, and plastic. Again, this is a safety lock and bright LED light. So this is a safety lock that it prevents from spinning. If you press this, not gonna spin unless if you press it. That's another features. And the nice thing with this, the cool thing, it has an LED light, so you're able to see with fabric or cardboard or carton or plastic or leather or carpet that you are trying to cut. As long as you guys fully charge this, and if the blade will get dull, so they will give you an extra 3 blade, but I don't think that this one will dull for longer use. It's made of steel. See, if in the event that this will dull, you probably honing this, find the right sharpener that able to sharpen this blade. But they give you an additional 2 extra blades, so total of 3 blades and 1 C-type cable. But the AC adapter, it didn't come with an AC adapter, only a C-type cable, but it is a good product. You can get this from Amazon. I got this from Amazon for $20. It was a clearance sale when I got this. I don't know how much it costs right now, but this is the best cordless electric scissor that you can buy. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel, and if you guys think that my YouTube channel is helpful, kindly share, subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. May God bless you all. Until next time, guys, I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Bye-bye for now.